Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload a new video you'll be the first to be notified. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this lovely dress with a ruffle at the end. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching and let's get started. Ooh, you miss me? I know. Welcome back. I've gone ahead to cut everything I need for this project behind the camera. If you want to know how I cut this lovely dress, comment in the section down. So I'm just going to measure the ruffle I have. I've gone ahead to cut about 8 of this ruffle. So the width of the ruffle is 24 inches and is folded into 4, while the length of this ruffle is 7 inches for the first layer, and the length of the second ruffle is 6 inches. And the width also is 24 inches and is folded into 4. So once we're done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and join the sides of the ruffle. I'm going to join all the sides, both the first layer and the second layer. Once we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and attach the ruffle to the flay, which is the lower part of this dress. So we're just going to pleat the ruffle along the flay. So once we're done pleating this ruffle along the flay, this is what the lower part looks like with the ruffle. So I already gone ahead to prepare the upper bodies of the front and the back panel. I've just joined the neck with the lining. I turned it over. As you can see, I also pressed it. I've gone ahead to also hold my darts for the front and for the back. I also joined the strap, which will be adding the sleeve to. I've also sewed my zipper to the back. I'm just going to go ahead now and join the front panel to the back panel side to side with a 1.5 inches. I'm just going to take measurement of my waist measurement divided by 2, and I'm going to put it there and then get the allowance. I'll do the same for the bust and the under bust, and then I'm just going to join it. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and join the lower part to the upper bodies. I'm just going to join the waist together all round using a 1/2 inch allowance for the joining. Okay, so once I'm done joining the upper bodies to the lower bodies, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and close up the zipper part for the lower part, and then I'm just going to fix the zip all the way down to the lower part. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to fix the sleeve to the clothes, and our dress is ready. So fixed everything. This is the final look of our dress. I've gone ahead to fold the down. I've gone ahead to also fold the sleeve. Now this is what it looks like, both the front and the back. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much.